At the beginning of 2023, OpenAI announced that it will launch the next generation ChatGPT4 this year, following the ChatGPT3 conversational chatbot. OpenAI is a non-profit organization focused on developing artificial intelligence in the ways that are most likely to benefit all of humanity. OpenAI was co-founded in 2015 by Elon Musk, founder of Tesla, Sam Altman, former president of Y Combinator, a well-known science and technology incubator, and Peter Thiel, co-founder of PayPal and the author of the best-selling book From Zero to One, and co-founder of LinkedIn, Reid Hoffman. What is the difference between ChatGPT4 and ChatGPT3? ChatGPT3 was launched last year and quickly exploded on social media around the world. What's so special about ChatGPT4? The current ChatGPT3 has 175 billion parameters, while ChatGPT4 will likely have 1 trillion parameters or more, approaching a 6 times increase. ChatGPT series are capable of text response, content generation, language translation, and text summarization. The increase in parameters means that it can respond to questions raised by users faster and more accurately. Why Google is so nervous? When this news came out, Google was the first to blow up. Why? According to the New York Times, the upcoming release of ChatGPT4 led Google to announce a code red. Code red is a computer virus discovered on the internet on July 15, 2001. It once attacked Microsoft's IIS web server. In addition to the increase in the parameters just mentioned and the resulting increase in accuracy, the thing that shakes the industry is that it greatly reduced the cost of text generation. The cost will drop to half a cent for 700 words of output. Let's make a comparison between ChatGPT3 and Google Search. ChatGPT3 can give concise answers directly. For example, I typed in ChatGPT3, what are the latest models of BYD electric vehicles? ChatGPT3 gave a very concise answer, which also introduced what kind of company BYD is. Not only lists the latest models, but also briefly introduced the mileage each car can travel on a single charge, which is concise and easy to understand. If you're interested in a specific car, you can find additional information. Google's search results are a bunch of links that the users need to click on to get the information, which means it may take more time to search for the same information with Google. Is ChatGPT4 really a threat to Google? ChatGPT first used a conversational artificial intelligence platform developed by Google engineers in 2017. In addition, Google itself has developed LaMDA, conversational neuro-linguistic models. The first generation was announced at the Google I/O keynote in 2021, while the second generation was announced at last year's I/O event in 2022. But why has Google been slow to release this technology to the public? It comes down to ESG, environment, social governance. Google's main consideration is social responsibility. Google has been slow to release these techniques to the public, in part because LaMDA was trained on current web data. This data inevitably include some hate speech, fake news, racist, sexist speech, and a large degree of inaccurate information. This means that racism, bias, and misinformation can seep into the chatbot's training models. So the answers it gives will inevitably include them as well. Another reason is commercial. Google has not yet found a way to integrate LaMDA with its existing advertising model. The advertising business currently accounts for about 80% of Google's revenue. Do you have any concerns regarding ChatGPT4? You're welcome to leave a comment. If this is the first time watching the video, you're welcome to subscribe to the KellyOnTech channel and easily understand the global cutting-edge technologies and promising startups.